It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make texture drawings. This is a really easy and fun drawing activity that allows you to explore the different textures around you and to make texture rubbings. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need for texture drawings are paper and relatively thin paper that will allow you to do texture rubbings is best. This could be copy paper or any paper that's a 60-pound or lighter paper. You'll need a pencil. You'll need crayons, and crayons with the paper wrapping taken off work best so that you can use the sides of the crayons. And then you will need some textured items or textured surfaces. These could be a Lego base, burlap fabric, a doormat, leaves, coins, coarse sandpaper, a plastic net bag, or you can use texture rubbing plates that you can buy at the arts and crafts store. Let's create. To begin, draw a picture with the pencil on the paper. And then when you are ready to color your picture, you will get your textured item or your textured surface and set it underneath the paper of the section that you want to color and to have that texture. And what you will do is, as you set that textured item underneath the paper, you will take a crayon and the side of a crayon and do a rubbing over that area. So if you have a sun drawn in one corner of your paper and you want to use burlap fabric underneath that sun to have the texture of that burlap fabric, you will set the burlap fabric underneath the sun, and then you will take your crayon, the side of your crayon, and color over the sun area to transfer the texture of the burlap fabric to the sun. And then when you're ready to color the next area, you can try a different texture or the same texture, and a different color or the same color, and just keep moving around your drawing and adding color and texture with a variety of textured surfaces. And you can take your paper with you and go around the house in search of textured surfaces, or you can bring the textured items to your work surface. And you can do this as many times as you like with different pictures, different images, different textures. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.
It's time